In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method in Beacon's AI. First, head over to the Beacon's AI website and sign in to your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before continuing, especially if you manage more than one profile. Once you're inside your dashboard, you'll be able to access the payment settings needed to start accepting payments. From the dashboard, click on Settings. After that, look for the section called Payments or Payments and Payouts. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your account view, but this is the area where Beacons lets you manage payment methods and connected payout accounts. If you don't see it right away, just take a second to scan the settings menu carefully. Once you're in the payments section, you'll need to choose the payment provider you want to connect. Beacons typically gives you the option to use Stripe or PayPal. Stripe is useful if you want to accept credit cards, debit cards, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. PayPal is a good option if you want to accept PayPal payments and receive payouts through your PayPal account. Choose the option that best fits how you plan to get paid. Next, click either Set Up Stripe Account or Set Up PayPal Payments, depending on the provider you selected. You'll then be prompted to sign in to that payment account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. This usually includes verification steps, which are important because they help confirm your identity and make sure your account is ready to process payments properly. After that, grant Beacons permission to connect to your payment account so the integration can be completed. When the setup is finished, go back to the payments page in Beacons. Here, you'll want to verify that everything connected successfully. Look for your selected payment provider and confirm that its status shows as connected. Once you see that, your Beacons account should be ready to accept payments. There's also an optional step if you want to add a bank account. In the Payments section, select Bank Account. From there, you can connect your bank using Plaid, or in some cases, enter your bank details manually if that option is available. After entering the information, save it to complete the setup. Keep in mind that bank account information is mainly used for invoicing features and may not be the default payout method for every Beacons product. And that's it. You've now added a payment method in Beacons AI and prepared your account for receiving payments.